In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Amex points for hotels. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to exchange your points for hotels and other types of travel, vacations, etc. is to go over to the American Express website at www.americanexpress.com. When you arrive at this page using your computer or web browser, select Rewards and Benefits at the top of your screen and then choose the Membership Rewards at the left side. You will be redirected to this page where you can see all the available benefits and offers where you can use your Amex points in. All you have to do now is select travel and experiences and then book a trip. You will be redirected once again to this page, American Express Travel, where you can start browsing flights, hotels, flights plus hotels, cars, and cruises, and you will be able to use your American Express points to pay for these. As you can see, I recommend you take your own time and you read through the terms and conditions to make sure that everything is in order and you are satisfied with the benefits you will be getting. After you read through it all, you simply have to look for a hotel in a specific place, include the check-in and check-out date, and you will be able to pay using the Amex points after you log in using your credentials and select the corresponding hotel. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Amex points for hotels. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.